Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to solve your problems if you can never find the perfect niche, or maybe you get a niche for affiliate marketing and you think that looks good and then you have doubts about it, whether to put time and energy into building an affiliate site, doing pay-per-click, and then finding that the niche isn't very good. And I'm going to give you the prompt and I'm going to give you the ChatGPT model to use as well, which is a little bit different than maybe you might have seen. It won't just pump out the same content. So I'm going to explain the prompt and why it works so well, and it will help you find a niche that you'll have confidence in. You can also adjust this. It doesn't have to be affiliate marketing. It could be for a product you're going to build, or pretty much when you're wanting to explore any market or gaps in the market and so on. So looking forward to showing you this. If you are interested in building income streams with AI, do subscribe, do give us a like, it really does help. And remember to get your free 100 prompts, AI prompts that will be of use for you if you're interested in this stuff. I've put the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. It's totally free and you'll be able to get 100 AI prompts. The other reason to enter your name and email below is I'm actually going to send out information on income streams specifically to your email with complete guides for them. So if you're interested in complete income stream guides, enter your name and email on this page. The link's in the description and you'll get them sent straight to you for free. Okay, so let's have a look at this prompt and I'll explain why it's different. The first thing that we're doing that's different is we're actually using the paid version of ChatGPT. Doesn't mean that you have to, but the reason to consider it is you're actually paying for the when you got ChatGPT 4, that's pretty much free. So you're actually paying for the O1 model and other models on it as well. There's other things that you can do, but the main difference with the O1 model is it will give you advanced reasoning, and that means that with your prompts you can alter them a little bit to actually get real feedback. The other reason that this works so well in terms of output and the results you get is the prompt is a monster. I'll post the prompt in a pinned comment below so you can use it quickly and easily. But the first thing that we're doing with the prompt, and how I recommend that you write all of your prompts, is we're priming it. So here we're actually saying you are an experienced affiliate marketing strategist with a proven track record of identifying profitable niches and launching successful campaigns. You stay up to date with market trends, keyword data and real world performance. You understand both short-term sales tactics for quick wins and long-term sustainability strategies. That was the first thing, because I wanted this prompt to be focused on fast results. Here's the task and objective. So this is the priming, and this will help you whatever prompt you're forming. This is a really good way of doing it for great results. So after we've primed it, we've told it what it is, how to act. We then give it the task and objective. I want you to find an affiliate marketing niche that can generate sales quickly while still offering room for growth. Base your recommendations on current market demand, competition levels, keyword search data, and realistic earning potential. Provide evidence or reasoning to back up your suggestions. So I wanted to do that because that's the task, and also because we're using ChatGPT 01, I wanted to, or O1, I wanted to get real world data like as much as possible, so you get in a good niche, a proven good niche. And then you've got, that's the task, and then you've got any requirements. So I've put a few in here. Requirements and details to cover is niche recommendations, top 3 to 5 niches, fastest path for monetization, so it will give you ideas on how to monetize, competitive analysis, difficulty and opportunity, offer a snapshot of how saturated each niche may be, recommended positioning, suggest a niche angle or sub-niche to differentiate, I can never say that, from existing competitors. Affiliate programs and offers, so this is going to give me 2 or 3 high converting affiliate programs to use. You don't just have to use Amazon or ClickBank, you can use pretty much any affiliate program that makes sense. So this is going to give me an option of those out there. And then marketing strategy, quick wins, organic growth, so SEO, pay-per-click. It's going to give me a few different marketing strategies, and then action plan and timeline, step-by-step roadmap, scaling up, risk mitigation and compliance, legal and ethical considerations, so I've put that in, additional tips, and then format. You don't really need this, but I've added it in there. Present your answer in a structured and easy to skim layout. Use bullet points, headings or short paragraphs, and so on. So that's more how you want it laid out. Okay, so I hope that was of use. That's just how to make a perfect prompt. But let's get into the results. So now, below is a structured overview of 5 profitable niches for affiliate marketing, both quick wins and long-term growth. Rationale for profitability, fastest path monetization, competitive analysis and unique positioning. So you've got it all there. And then it's actually giving me the niches. Home fitness and personal wellness. According to Google Trends, searches for home workouts and fitness equipment have remained elevated even after peak pandemic times. Consumer behavior. Many people have shifted to hybrid workout routines, home and gym, creating ongoing demand. High conversions. People are willing to invest quickly in fitness gear or programs that promise fast results. Low competition keywords. Beginner friend. So it's given me an idea of the niches, and it's also given me difficulty, moderately saturated, but plenty of sub niches. So check this. Moderately saturated, so you wouldn't just go in, but look at this. Seniors fitness, postpartum workouts, home yoga gear. So just postpartum workouts, or workout routines for over 50s, 60s, and 70s, and so on, would be a fantastic niche where they would be shopping for products and where you can bypass a lot of the competition. So that's a really, really good way of doing it. Affiliate programs and offers, product selection, networks, marketing strategies, action plans. The next one is pet care and pet tech, growing market. Again, proven, exceed 200 billion by 2026. High emotional buying, fastest path to monetization, affiliate programs and offers, action plan. So you're getting, when we go up here, competitive analysis and positioning, difficulty and opportunity. The pet niche is again competitive, but focus on a specific animal. Cat hydration solutions, older dog mobility, can reduce competition and give you a very structured way of entering the niche that's still very profitable, and then going in at the narrow end and widening out. And again, affiliate programs, marketing strategies and so on, action plans, and you can see that the output you get is far better. So sustainable living and eco-friendly. Again, here's the information about the niche backed with data. You can even ask for sources if you need to. Fastest path to monetization, and then competitive analysis, increasing competition but plenty of room in specialized categories. Vegan cosmetics, solar gadgets, home composting. So again, affiliate programs and offers. You've got different product selections here, and any of these, this is another thing to note, any of these could be expanded. So you can expand them. You can say, okay, give me some more affiliate programs that pay this much, and so on. AI productivity and software tools, we don't really need to work out whether that's going to be a good niche. Of course it is. AI is massive. But here's the thing. Again, competitive analysis, growing fast but relatively new sub-niches. Provide in-depth tutorials and real-world case studies to differentiate from generic tool lists. Okay, affiliate programs and offers. Again, Jasper, it's like AI copywriting, and there's better ones out there than this selection, but you can see it's giving you an idea of exactly what to go for. So that's how to get some really, really good niches, to get the summary and checklist. And then all you do with this data, with this output, is if you then wanted more help with picking affiliate programs, you can then expand on the you can then say here, where you've got affiliate programs and offers, you can then say give me some more affiliate programs. Where you've got the actual plan that started, like the action plan, you can say give me more of a step-by-step action plan that will work really, really well. So that's the prompt to use. I'll copy and paste it um, in the comments as a pinned comment. Give that a go, but the main thing as well is, if you can, use the O1 reasoning, because it will give you better output and it will actually reason and compare um, based on all of the niches. So do check it out. Do grab your 100 free prompts below in the description, because I've got some income guides coming through to you for free as well. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.